Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the workbook is the open XML type. XLSX, this matters because XLSX is actually a zipped package of XML files. Once you have a duplicate, show file extensions in your OS and rename the extension from XLSX to zip. You will get a warning, accept it. You do this because renaming exposes the archive structure, worksheets, media, and styles live inside. By beginning here, you can inspect or extract components without corrupting the original workbook. Once the file is a zip, open it with your preferred archive tool. You will see folders like Rels, Doc Props, and Excel. You navigate to Excel to find worksheets and shared strings, and Excel/media for embedded images. If you need to edit content, extract the specific XML file, edit with a plain text or XML-aware editor, and save. Make sure to preserve the exact folder structure and file names when you replace items inside the archive, because the workbook relies on those paths to function. To finish, rezip the same folder structure you extracted so the top-level folders match the original. You must use standard ZIP compression, otherwise Excel may not recognize it. After compressing, rename the file from zip back to XLSX and open it in Excel. This verifies the package and relationships are intact. If Excel complains, revert to your duplicate or compare the archive to the original to find missing or renamed files. One key troubleshooting tip is to check for broken rel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.